Hey guys, so instead of watching some crash course or YouTube tutorial, I prefer to read the book just because I have no deadline set to end it and I love to read. So in this book, we have a simple introduction of machine learning, ability of computers to learn by itself, and then we have why to use machine learning algorithm instead of traditional coding approaches. So we have a spam filtering example here, where we first see how a traditional coding example would like develop that spam filter. Simply, we would like filter out some words. HTML that contains these words will be blacklisted as spam, and but there's an issue here. Hackers stay updated all the time. So how long would we update the list? Instead of that, we give we train our ML algorithm according to it, and it will learn by itself and trigger wherever the spam is. All right. Then we have examples, then we have types in which ML classify, and these are supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning. First, we have supervised. In case of supervised learning, we have we give the training data to our algorithm with labels. For example, in the spam filtering example, we have we give the data to machine learning algorithm with solution that this one is spam and this one is not. So it will be able to learn by itself and learn by the example that this one looks spam and this one is not, and then detect the testing email as spam or not. This way, it gets supervised. All right. And this is called classification. Another example is of regression, where we detect a numerical value. Let's take an example of car price, detecting car price, where we will be seeing mileage. The data will be given mileage, age, and brand of a car, and it will have to detect the car price. All right, that's why that one is a regression example, where we detect a numerical value. Okay. Now the mileage, age, and brand can be called predictors, and they can also be called attributes. Some people call them features. Let's clarify this one. That features are attribute plus value. Like the mileage is 15,000 kilometers, and attribute is just mileage. All right. Well, it uses its own visualization algorithms, which can where you can feed complex data to the model, and it can give you 2D and 3D graphs to be plotted easily. And a term called dimensionality reduction, where you correlate the features which are similar to each other. In case of a car example, we have we can correlate the mileage and age of the car. This is also an example of feature extraction, which is also a type of dimensionality reduction. Motivation is to lose less information and simplify data. So, and it's also a good practice to first fine tune use dimensionality reduction before feeding it to another ML algorithm. In this case, the data it runs fast and gives best results. Another one would be anomaly detections, where the model have to detect the one instance that is different from the others. So yeah, that's it for day one. Let's see you on day two. Thank you.